Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Samsung SmartThings app automation rules after migration.
Open your Samsung SmartThings app on your smartphone. Navigate to the Automations tab at the bottom of the screen. Locate the three-dot menu in the top right corner and tap on it. Select Manage Automations from the drop-down menu. Look for the option labeled Restore Automations and select it. You will be prompted to choose a backup file. Choose the appropriate backup file that contains your previous automation rules. Tap on Restore to initiate the restoration process. Wait for the app to restore your automation rules. Once the restoration is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Return to the Automations tab to check if your rules are visible. Review each automation to ensure they are configured correctly. Adjust any settings if necessary to align with your current devices. Test each automation to confirm they activate as intended. If you encounter any issues, check the device compatibility within the app. Revisit the Manage Automations option to make further adjustments if needed. Explore creating new automation rules to enhance your SmartThings setup. Save your changes and exit the app once you are satisfied with the configuration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.